afternoon and welcome to my channel. Now in today's video we have got an unboxing of my new webcam. Now I don't know how good this webcam is going to be. I couldn't really find much information about it online, but it's going to be better than the one I've got already. So this has cost me $49.99 from Curry's. It looks pretty cool, pretty decent. It comes with a tripod. So what I'm going to do is, this is literally just purely going to be an unboxing, see what's in the box, and later on when I test it out I will do a review on it as well. So let's have a look. So here is the tripod, which is a little one. It is metal, except for this bit that's plastic, but legs are metal. We have got an instruction manual, which is all in English. It looks as if the wire is fixed to the webcam. The wiring which is fixed to the back of the webcam. My other webcam you can remove it, but that's not a problem. Yeah, it looks snazzy, it feels nice. I think it's just a plastic case on the outside. You've got two mics on either side. A bit on the bottom to attach to a tripod. Just the usual USB. It looks like it's going to be quite a long USB. Okay, so this is this is how it looks on the tripod. Pretty cool, and you've got all the different ways you can move it, and obviously you've also got this as well. Try and angle it how you want it. Yeah, it's 1080p. It's only 30 FPS, but I wouldn't have thought that's going to be much of an issue for me. It's definitely an upgrade from my other webcam, which is only 720p. It's got an 83-degree viewing angle. It says it's got autofocus. But yeah, so that'll be it for the unboxing video, and keep an eye out for the review on it. But yeah, so this is going to be my new webcam for my gaming videos. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.